Right now there are so many diagnostic tools on the market, it can be overwhelming and really difficult to choose the right one for you, your needs and your vehicle. We've tried and tested hundreds of them and there are a lot of lemons out there, so in this guide we'll help you avoid those lemons and make sure you choose the right scan tool that works for you, your needs, your vehicle and of course your budget. So if you need a tool for a basic airbag or check engine light reset through to a more complex tool for coding and adaptions, then this guide will help you out. So let's get started. We have 5 tools out on show, and at the end of this video I'll reveal which of these tools I would buy if it was my personal money on my personal vehicle. They are the best selling tools at Diagnostic World, so they all have a good reputation and a good track record, and we're starting at this end of the table, working our way from the cheapest through to the most expensive, and you'll generally find that the more expensive the tool and the more we work our way up the table, the more functions and the more coverage the tools will actually have. And if you're still unsure about which tool to go for at the end of this video, then please do email us. I'll pop the email address in the description and on the screen right now. Send us a quick email with your vehicle information, what exactly you're looking to get out of the tool. So for example, what system you're looking to cover, what reset you're looking to do, and we can definitely recommend something for your needs and of course your budget. Okay, so starting at this end, this is the iCarSoft BMM version 1.0 tool, and this actually does cover BMW, Mini and actually Rolls-Royce vehicles. Okay, it is the most basic tool on the table, but that doesn't mean it's basic in terms of what it can do. It covers all of the systems within the vehicle. So let's say you've got a fault with the engine system or the ABS traction control system, the airbag system, the transmission system, power steering, central locking, HVAC heating systems. This tool will cover all of those systems and allow you to diagnose what the actual fault is. Not only that, but it'll also give you live data. It'll also allow you to reset the fault codes, reset the warning lights, and also reset the oil service maintenance reset light as well. So if you need to do any maintenance resets, this will cover the oil service. Okay. So that's the BMM version 1.0 tool, and it's been a really good seller for a number of years, and there's a very good reason why it's still on this table, because it's just a good package. Okay, we then come to the BMM version 3.0 tool, and you might be asking, well, why is there no BMM version 2 in the middle here? The BMM version 2.0 tool is a good tool. We haven't got it on this table though, because we feel that the amount of money you pay for the BMM version 2.0, it doesn't necessarily offer great value for money, if that makes sense. This offers good value for money, this does as well for the price you pay for them, but the tool in the middle kind of offers just a little bit more than this, but way less than this for quite a high price. So we've kind of excluded that because it's not good value for money. But as we come onto the BMM version 3.0 tool, this is kind of like a big step up. This offers a lot of diagnostic coverage, a lot of vehicles and systems, and also a lot of service functionality as well. But not only that, it can do coding, it can do adaptions, it's bi-directional, so it can do component testing, actuation tests, and it just does a lot of sort of coding and adaptions, things like suspension calibrations, EGR adaptions, DPF regenerations, transmission adaptions, fuel pumps, air conditioning, AdBlue and DEF resets, electronic park and brake, throttle calibration, steering angle sensor, new battery registrations, injector coding, brake bleeding. I could go on for a while, because this tool really does pack a powerful punch when it comes to functionality. Obviously it does all of your live data, and it does all of the newer sort of G series generation chassis vehicles as well. So this is a really good tool, and we've been selling this tool for a couple of years now, and it's been absolutely fantastic. Okay, so BMM version 3.0, we then move on to the BMM version 4.0 tool. Now we do this video every year, what kind of tools are going to be best for 2024, 25, and now obviously 2026. Previous years, this tool here has never been there. This is a new tool for 2026, okay? And this tool can do everything that these tools can do, but it has a few additional tricks up its sleeve, okay? So yes, it'll do all of your adaptions, coding, calibrations, service function resets, all of your diagnostic codes, warning lights, resets, live data. But this will also allow you to do Wi-Fi updates. Now with these tools, you have to plug them into a PC or a laptop if you want to do the updates on them. You can do all of the updates on screen via just a Wi-Fi connection, just a couple of taps, and it gives you the latest software information on the tool. Okay. It's a touchscreen tool, so it's a bit faster. You can navigate around the tool a lot quicker than you can with these tools. Not that these are slow, but this is just kind of like next level, and it's like super fast. And the touchscreen is really good. I've tried like launch diagnostic code readers with touchscreens, not the professional ones, but the like the smaller ones. And honestly, like you're kind of like tapping like that, and it's not very responsive. Well, this is quite responsive. But not only that, it allows you to add up to 2 additional manufacturers. Okay, so let's say you've got your BMW or your Mini, and you also have a Peugeot or you also have a Volvo. You could add both of those vehicles to the software on the tool within just a few clicks. You don't have to worry about any serial numbers or verifying anything. You just choose what you want and you can just add it for free. Okay, but that gives you 2 additional manufacturers. All right, so let's say you had, they come in kind of groups, and if you click on the link to this product, it'll show you what the groups are. Scroll down, show you what the groups are. But if you, let's say you had a Peugeot is grouped with Peugeot and Citroen, so you'd actually get Peugeot and Citroen. If you had a VW, the VW is grouped with VW, Audi, Seat, Skoda, so you'd actually get quite a few manufacturers if you just chose one. But have a look at the manufacturer groups of what you can add, and it'll all become apparent when you click on the listing. Okay, so that's the BMM version 4.0 tool, and we've tried and tested this tool. It's really good. We then move on to the CR Pro Kit. This is the first tool which covers multiple manufacturers straight from the box. So this will cover all of your systems. It'll do engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, like I say, all systems, diagnose, reset, fault codes and warning lights. And it'll also do service functions. Now it's important for me to say that this tool doesn't do the coding, adaptions, calibrations, but it does do service functions. So it doesn't do as many service functions as kind of like these 2 tools will. It has a select few. It does DPF regeneration, electronic park and brake, electronic throttle calibration, steering angle sensor, new battery registration, injector coding and brake bleeding. So they are kind of still the main bulk of the service functions that a home DIY user would need. But obviously it opens it up to all vehicles. So there's a reason that this tool is kind of still on this table. We've been selling this tool for probably 6 or 7 years now, and the software has always been updated, so it's always been adding new vehicles to the database. But the reason that this continues to be one of the best selling tools is that it's probably the last of a generation which offers a good amount of coverage, generally a good amount of coverage that most DIYers would need for a good price. Okay, so it covers, as I say, all manufacturers and a good level of coverage for systems and service functions as well. So that's the CR Pro Kit. And one thing I should have said is that I'll put links to all of these kits in the description, and they all come with free lifetime updates. Some of the other manufacturers' tools, they'll charge you like £100 per year for updates. Well, with all of these you get free lifetime updates. Okay. We then move on to the iCarsoft CR Max. So what this does is, this is a touchscreen tablet based tool, and this kind of takes all of the features from all of these tools and puts them into one powerful tool. Now you probably think that because it's taken everything from this, it's going to be more expensive. Not necessarily the case. Granted, it is more expensive than these tools, but what you get is all manufacturers straight from the box. Fast tablet based tool which covers all vehicles, all systems, all calibrations, coding, adaptions, all service functions as well. So depending on the vehicle, like some manufacturers, it'll do kind of up to 40 service functions. Some manufacturers, their systems aren't as advanced, so it might do say 15 service functions, but it all really depends on what vehicle it's actually plugged into. Okay, but the CR Max kit has, again, that's been around for about 3 or 4 years now, and it's just been a really good seller. because of the price point of this tool. I would say there are other tool manufacturers like Autel and Launch who do a similar tool, but their tools will cost £200 more. Now, and also you'll have to pay for yearly updates for that. Well, with this, it's free lifetime updates, so you'll never need to worry about having to pay for another update with any of these tools actually. All right. So I said at the start of the video that I would recommend which tool I would personally buy if it was my money, knowing what I know about all of these tools. And bearing in mind, we work with these tools every day. We speak to a lot of customers every day who are wanting to get the best out of and wanting to know what tool will do what on their vehicle. So we kind of know these tools inside out. And the tools that are certainly the tool that I would say for me that I was going to buy first off would be the BMM version 4.0, and purely because it just covers everything. It does all of the vehicles, it'll do all of the service functions, it'll do your calibrations, adaptions, it does coding, and it just kind of leaves no stone unturned when it comes to being able to pick up the tool and just being able to do exactly what you need it to do, instead of having to go out and buy another tool because that tool won't work. So I'm not saying that this tool will do like absolutely everything, but I would say for what most DIYers would need to do, the BMM version 4.0 will most likely cover it. Okay, there'll be a few exceptional circumstances where something has gone wrong on a vehicle and kind of no tool will do what it needs to be done. It kind of sometimes just needs to go to a main dealer, but if you know, excluding those sort of situations, the BMM version 4.0 would do it. Now, if I was thinking, right, okay, I want a tool straight from the box that actually covers all manufacturers, because even if you add two manufacturers on, you're still not going to get all vehicles out there. Well, in that case, it would 100% be the iCar Soft CR Max kit. I can't kind of stress how good this tool is. It's kind of the Rolls-Royce of diagnostic tools, and yes, it does cover Rolls-Royce as well. It's the most bang for buck tool out there, and you know what I mean when I say that. It's gonna give you the most amount of vehicles, systems, adaptions, coding, service functions, live data for the best price out there. So it squeezes as much data and as much software in there as possible for the lowest price. Okay, so yeah, so that is kind of like I mean, I've kind of covered as much as I can. I think you get free lifetime updates with all of these tools. You know, I would choose either this one or this one. But if I haven't answered your question and there's something that you need me to clarify, or you know, we're here for you, just send us an email, send us your vehicle information, and we can confirm to you which tool would be best for you, your needs, and your specific vehicle and your specific budget as well. Okay, but I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, I look forward to hearing from you.